Let's build a waffle chart in Excel. The days of impressing people with pie charts is long gone, so we've got to make things new and fresh. I'm going to be building a 5x5 waffle matrix. So I've got 25 rows indicated, and then I've got 2 series columns with XY coordinates. Because what a waffle chart really is a series layered over another series. And the first series is just a background image, and the series that lays over top of it is the one that actually shows progress. So to get this started, we need to establish how many squares we have. So I'm just going to type in 25 for speed, and then we need to establish how many points each square is worth. And because this is a progress chart out of 100, 0 to 100, I'm going to go 100 divided by 25. So each colored square has 4 points. And this blue area is where we're going to put the points that were actually accumulated. And I'm just going to put it as 45 to get us started. So I'm going to do something unconventional here and build the chart first, because I think if you see it being built, it'll make way more sense as the numbers are being populated. So I'm going to grab the XY section for series 1 and go Insert, Scatter Plot, and then we'll just shove this over here and make it a size that won't be in our way. And then I'm going to wrong click on it and go Select Data, Add Series. I don't care about the name, but I'm going to take the X column for the next one that layers over top. And then I'm going to select the Y column for the one that layers over top. And then press OK. Okay, so we have our little chart. Now this will make much more sense. So in the waffle, I want to move along the x-axis first, fill those in, and then jump up a level and fill those in. So to make that happen, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You can see the dots are starting to appear on the graph, plotting the XY. So let's do it again for the next level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to go up to level 2, and it's starting to come together as a plot in XY coordinates. I'm going to speed through filling the rest of this in. So now we have a 5x5 matrix here, but it's not looking very waffly, right? So let's make it waffly. I'm going to scroll over so that you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to select the series, wrong click, and say Format Data Series. Go to this bucket, and I'm going to choose Marker. For the marker, I want to choose Marker Options and the built-in types, and then make it a square. And then we're going to make it bigger. Now it's looking kind of waffly. And then let's change the color to our light purple color and have it have no border around it. And then I can just close out of there for the moment. Got the background image of our waffle. So now what's going to happen, as we fill in these in the second coordinate, it's going to start plotting over top of it those items as the progress continues. So first we need to establish what the cumulative score is as we're going. And we said each point was worth 4. So the first one is going to be worth 4, and the second one's going to be worth the initial 4, plus an additional 4, and then we're going to lock that in place so it's always reaching to the same number. And then we can drag that down. We've got the cumulative score in there, and what we want in here is the exact same thing that's in series 1 if the number in the cumulative score is less than or equal to the actual score.